Feeding the birds in the winter is a wonderful way to help them survive the toughest time of year and provides a great way for you to connect with nature. Feeding the birds in winter. As the temperatures drop, natural food sources like insects are dormant or dead, and berries and seeds become covered with snow or are hard to find or depleted. This makes foraging in winter much harder and less time efficient. Birds must maintain a high body temperature to survive the cold, spending most of their time, their short winter daylight hours, searching for food to replace the fat reserves, calories, just to stay warm overnight. High energy foods like suet and black oil sunflower seeds are critical. Extreme winter lifeline. Supplemental feeding increases significantly a bird's survival rates, especially during severe weather events like heavy snow or prolonged deep freezes. Studies show that the increased survival of birds is mainly due to their ability to survive brief extreme conditions. Birds use my bird feeders in the winter, and my bird feeders are visited by mourning doves, blue jays, cardinals, chickadees, starlings, and grackles, and other birds that I haven't identified yet. Many squirrels also visit the ground around my bird feeders. And we feed the birds year-round, but in the winter it is most important to feed the birds to protect them from the intense cold. Birds have a hard time finding food when the ground is covered with snow, and they need the birdseed to keep them warm. And we feed only birdseed that's sold as birdseed and suet found in the store where the birdseed and suet and bird feeders are found. This birdseed contains sunflower seed, cracked corn, millet, and other seeds. The best kind of bird feeders are those that don't allow squirrels on them and are easy to fill in the cold, wind, and snow of winter. The lids on my bird feeders just lift off. They are not fastened down, so they're easy to open in the wind, and if they don't blow off when you put them back down. There will be plenty of food on the ground for the squirrels. My bird feeders are on poles that have a specially built baffle that keeps the squirrels from climbing up the pole. I also place the feeders over 10 feet from trees and brush so that squirrels cannot jump onto them. And I supply water to the birds all winter long. To give them water in the winter, I have a hard rubber plant tray that is not harmed by freezing water. And I use a 1 gallon juice container to fill that with hot tap water from the tap and pour it over the ice in the bird bath. Birds appreciate warm water in the winter to drink, so they don't have to eat snow to supply the water needs. And other wild animals also drink out of my bird bath. Okay, if you thought that was a good video, can you please subscribe and like this video? I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. And thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.